For this tutorial we will need some light fingering or thread weight yarn, approximately 230 meters, which is equal to 250 yards in 50 grams, and 1.5 millimeters hook for sizes from extra small to medium, or 2 millimeters hook for sizes from large to extra large. In these shrug sizes varies by width of round motifs. So the pattern consists of two kinds of round motifs. Let's call them number 1 and number 2, and their parts: 1/2, like here, 2/3 netting between motifs, and scalloped edging. Okay, let's get started with motif number 1. Chain 5, join with slip stitch to form a ring. Chain 3, counts as 1 double crochet, 15 double crochets into the ring. So at the end of round 1 we have 16 double crochets in total. Finish our round with 1 slip stitch into the 3rd chain. Round 2, chain 1, counts as 1 single crochet, chain 2, skip 1 double crochet of the previous round, work 1 single crochet in the next double crochet. Repeat across the round. Chain 2, skip 1 stitch, work 1 single crochet in the next stitch. So at the end of round 2 we have 8 2 chain spaces in total. Finish round 2 with 1 slip stitch into the 1st chain. Round 3, chain 1, counts as 1 single crochet, chain 3, work 3 double crochets, cluster into 2 chain space, one, 2, and yarn over, pull through the whole loops on the hook, chain 3, and work 1 single crochet into single crochet of our previous round. Again, chain 3, three double crochets, cluster into the next 2 chain space, 1, 2, 3, and chain 3, 1 single crochet into our previous round. Repeat across the round. So at the end of round 3 we should have 8 3 double crochets cluster stitches. Finish our third round with 1 slip stitch into the first chain. Round 4, chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet into the same stitch where we started. Chain 1, 2 double crochets into the top of cluster. Chain 1, work 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet into single crochet between clusters, chain 1, work 2 double crochets into the top of next cluster stitch. Work like that across the round. Finish round 4 with 1 slip stitch into the third chain. Work 1 more slip stitch into 1 chain space to start at 1 chain space our next round, and round 5, chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet into the same 1 chain space. Chain 1, work 3 double crochets into 2 double crochets. Chain 1, work 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet in 1 chain space of the shell previous round. Chain 1, work 3 double crochets into 2 double crochets previous round. Repeat across the round. Finish round 5 with 1 slip stitch into the third chain. Work 1 more slip stitch into 1 chain space. Round 6, chain 3, chain 1, 1 double crochet into the same chain space where we started. Chain 1, work 5 double crochets into 3 double crochets like that. 1 double crochet in the first stitch, 2 double crochets in the second stitch, 1 more double crochet and the last double crochet. Chain 1, work 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet into the next chain space, chain 1, and again work 5 double crochets in 3. Finish round 6 with 1 slip stitch into the third chain. Round 7, chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet into chain space, chain 1, work 7 double crochets in 5 double crochets of previous row. In that way, work 2 double crochets in the 4th and in the 5th double crochets. Now work 2 double crochets in 1 stitch and 2 more double crochets in the last double crochets of 5 DC group. Chain 1, work 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet in the next chain space, chain 1, and again work 7 double crochets in 5 double crochets of previous row. Repeat like that across the round. Round 8, chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet, chain 2, pay attention, already not chain 1 but chain 2, 1 double crochet in the same chain space, chain 1, work 1 double crochet in each double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 in 1, chain 1, 1 double crochet, chain 2, pay attention, already not 1 but 2, 1 double crochet in 1 chain space of previous round shell, chain 1, and again 1 double crochet in each of the 7th double crochets of previous round. Repeat across the round. Slip stitch into third chain and 1 more slip stitch into 2 chain space. Let's start our round 9. It will be the last round. Chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet in 2 chain space with 1 picot over chain 3, 1 slip stitch into double crochet, and work one more double crochet into the same 2 chain space with picot. Chain 3, 1 single crochet in 1 chain space before 7 double crochets. Chain 3, skip 3 double crochets of 7 double crochets group and work 3 double crochets with picot on the top. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, we skip it, work 1 DC with picot, second DC in the same stitch, picot, and third DC in the same stitch with picot also. Chain 3, 1 single crochet in 1 chain space, chain 3 and 3 double crochets with picot on the top in 2 chain space. Chain 3, 1 single crochet in 1 chain space. So repeat across the round. At the end of our last round, work 1 slip stitch into third chain, work 1 picot on the top, and that's all. Our first motif, number 1, is ready.